Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can create your own football league in EA Sport FC Mobile 24. So I made this video is for beginner that new into this game, because previously this game is FIFA Mobile, but right now it's become EA Sport FC Mobile 24. And let's get started by tapping this one, league. Mangap, create league, tap the create league, and this one you can create your own league. For example, league logo, you can try to search your own logo by the default logo from the game, and also league name, description of your league, and also this one is the important feature like required level, minimum and maximum, and also required rating, minimum and maximum. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and also click the button below. Enjoy the game.